I may not be the smartest man here, but disrespect me and be wearing metal like a canned beer. I stand for my clique, so you can't stand here. Throw 25 at your jersey, call you Eric Dampier. I've been at it for a minute, and I ain't timid. I'ma get it when I spit it. Everyone becomes a victim. And it's the system, they be throwing us in prison, talking about a mental exorcism, or we need religion. And I ain't trying to play the role of Mr. Innocent. Sorry if you missing it, but I'm talking to who's getting it. We got right, sometimes I think the law's forgetting it. So fuck your bullshit ass laws and fuck the book they written in. But it's old news, on to the next mission, man. I drown a fisherman in the pond that he's fishing in. Rolling over haters like my first name's Michelin. Y'all ain't listening, y'all probably think it's all fiction.
Let's take a trip, take a look at yourself and take a look at me. Nothing really seems to matter when inside of your dreams, cause you gotta open your eyes, sometimes I gotta shine. So I've been on my grind 24/7, 365, running my mind ragged, on my quest to get cabbage, trying to be the best, tired of all the stress and the baggage, keep it 100. Like the temperature in Texas in the middle of the summer, and them gorillas at your neck with a tech bitch or a Beretta. I'm ready for my vendetta, watch out, your body's gonna turn cold, so bring a sweater. Leave your lokes at home, you ain't gonna see the sun again. Try to bargain with me now, but you don't know where I've been. Hell and back, first couple of times I was tripping, but it's time you learn your lesson, so you're gonna pay me a visit. Give me a beat, give me a mic, and I'm all over it. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm the coldest in control, bitch.